time, no vlog. Happy Saturday. I hope you're doing well. Yeah, it's been really busy on my end, to be honest, and I'm also starting to get tired. So please just munielewe tu when I'm unable to deliver like a vlog, but I'll really try my best to at least um, remain relevant or remain available here on YouTube. So today we are doing a living room tour. The weather is not so good, hakuna jua leo, so I don't know. I'm really hoping it's going to at least be clear, but I'll try as much as possible to insert at least photos that are clear. But I just wanted to give you guys a living room tour. Finally we are here. Honestly, I think it's complete. I'm not planning to add anything to this living room. My living room is also quite small. I don't know if I should say small, but I usually feel like it's a bit small, so I've had to work with the space that is available. Yeah, so I'll let you guys know where I got most of the things. For the ones that I remember, for the ones that I don't, we'll just see what to do. But yeah, so let's go on ahead and start. So we are going to start here. When you come into so that's the main door. The first thing you see, of course, is my curtains. I told you guys the lighting today. So my curtains, I got them from Easily. I combined two patterns. I combined this pattern and the yellow I don't know why I call it. I think it's yellow, right? The yellow pattern. And then, of course, the shears, I went for something that has a pattern. It's not a plain shear. So those ones I got from Easily. The video is on this channel. Look out for it. I put all the prices there. Then, of course, the next thing that you see is my couch. My couch. Then I have these pillows that I showed you guys. I got from Kamukunji. Each was going for 200 bob, and the covers were between 300 and 350 bob. Yeah, and that's how it looks. Nothing much happening there, but I like how they blend with the curtains. So from the curtains you can see the cushions as well, all the way to the end. Then I also have my basket, which I showed you guys. I got it from Home Decor 254 on Instagram for 3,200. It's the one I used to put my throw blankets and everything else. And then this is just an extra pillow. Then from there, it's my dining. My dining table is quite small, but it fits us because we are just three. So that's how it looks. Of course, everything just has yellow in this house, by the way. That was my theme-ish. So yeah, then I also have my easy table mats that I thrifted from Gikomba. The vase is also thrifted from Gikomba. The 4 plants, I got them from Stage Market. I think each was 150 bob, if I'm not wrong. Then of course the dining table, that's how it looks. Then on the dining, I have this mirror that I got from Easily. I got it for do I remember, guys? I think I got it for 3,000 bob. Then on this side where we have the couch, I have this 3-part painting that I got from Imara Mall. I think it was 6,500, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I really love this painting. I just feel like it speaks a lot about maybe the direction we're taking as a family, and we also love gazelles. I think they represent peace, they represent beauty, and that's what this home is all about. So that's the only picture frame I have on that wall. You can see the wall is blue. That's how I found it when I moved into this house, and I decided I'll just keep it that way. Initially I wanted to change my whole walls, to paint my all my walls white, but I figured no, it's okay, I'll just work with it the way it is. So yeah, I think that's how it looks on that side. Sorry if it's noisy, guys, there are people moving out. Yeah, and then from that side, so the only thing that's missing is my carpet, which I think I've shown you guys. If not, I'll just find a clip to insert it. It's usually really huge. It's a gray carpet that covers that whole area up to somewhere here. I got it from Used Household Goods on Facebook. I got it at half price. The lady who sold it to me had bought it from Tiles and Carpets for 23,000, but she sold it to me for 10k, so that was a good saving. I'll just insert a clip to show you how it looks. Then of course I have my coffee table, which I had showed you guys on another video here. If you're new, please scroll and check my videos, you will find it. I got it from Dolphin Furnitures. I think it was 5k or 6k, I can't remember, but yeah, it wasn't that expensive because it's just a board frame, as you can see. That's the only design it has at the bottom. I don't place anything on my coffee table because yes, I have a small boy and boys can get a bit destructive, so I prefer to just keep it plain and simple like that. So that is that side. Then of course we have that carpet that you step on when you come in. Before now you get into the main carpet that is not here, but yeah, I got it from Decor. I can't remember the price, it was a while back, but it has served me quite well. They were actually two, that size, and then there's that one on that side. They were twin carpets, yeah, the two small ones. So I got them from Decor. Then on this side, when you sit down, that is what you see. That's my view from this side. So of course my TV stand is also from Dolphin Furnitures. I got it for I think it was 13k, and it has served me quite well. I've had it for over 2 years and it still looks new, so that was a good purchase. Then I have this Montserrat 4-plant here that I got from Maridadi Homes. I think I got it for 1800. It came with the full like that, with the two small pebbles hapo ndani. They are not full, they don't go all the way down, but yeah, iko tu sawa. I was supposed to get chondos to put on this one, but yeah, haven't gotten to it, but I think it still looks good since it matches with the color of the TV stand. Then on top here I put this small design just so that the wall doesn't look empty. As you can see, nikisonga nyuma, apart from the TV, that wall was really empty, so I decided to buy something simple. I got this 3-piece mirror set from I don't remember the name, but I'm going to just put it down here. I think the set was going for 3k if I'm not wrong. Then of course the TV. Then down here I have put some 2 decorations. I have this sort of like matchy thing going on here. So the white vases, I got them from House of Leather. Each was going for I think 800 bob. Then these small ones, like these ones, I got them from River Road. I think each was 400 bob. Then this is just like a doll for my son. He likes placing it there, so I just decided it's fine. Then there's this middle part where we place our remote. This one I got from Gikomba, from DIY with Jojo. I think it was 2k, I can't remember quite well. Yeah, so that was from DIY with Jojo. Then of course the other part of the plant. Then I have my son's photo here. That what is it called, the photo frame was also thrifted from Gikomba. The other part of the other vase do here for 800 baht from House of Leather. Then of course from this side, nothing much. I have my water dispenser. It's a bottom loader. I got it from an online shop, I can't remember. But yeah, that's basically it. Then on top of it, I've placed this nini. It has a scented candle which I got from Little More. I showed you guys that haul some time back, so I usually put it on from here when we just want the house to smell nice. This kanini was also thrifted from Gikomba. Then I have my big 4 plant that I really love. I got this one from Isili. I think it was 5,000 bob, everything included. The car bucket is full of pebbles. It only had pebbles. It didn't have that nini soft whatever that they put inside. So this one was a really good bargain, and that's how it looks. I love how it just fits that car corner, so I don't need to put anything else there. Then I have my photos when I was pregnant with my son, then when my son turned 1 year old, and of course our wedding photo. And that's it on that side. I usually feel like at least the photos complement and give a story of our home and our life. Yeah, imagine, and that's it for my living room, guys. Hii side ingine I showed you, there's really nothing much, just the door, and then that's where the dining is. That's how it looks together with the mirror. That's where I've placed my basket. Then from this angle, that's what you see. And then of course the carpet, which is not here, but yeah, it usually just complements the whole space, and it goes all the way into the TV stand, so it's quite a huge one. Yeah, and then of course my watch here. This one I found my husband with when we got married, and we've never changed it. I like it. It's simple, it's white, it has no complications, so that's what I have there. Then we have these lights, so there are two, the one above the TV, and then there was another one on that side where the painting is, but we removed it. Those ones came with the house. Then of course this is the main chandelier for the living room. It also came with the house. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's my living room. I hope there's nothing I have left out. In case of anything, just ping me so that I let you know in the comment section where you can get. But yeah, that's it for my living room. I'm just going to play some clips that show like a close view of everything, but that's it. Yeah. Yeah, so that's it for my living room tour, guys. I hope you have enjoyed it. I had to work with a color palette, so I was doing mostly gray and mustard. So I call it yellow mustard. I guess it's almost similar. So that was my theme, gray and mustard, and that's what you will see across a lot of the pieces, and also a little bit of gold like the mirror back there, which I also spray painted, by the way. When I got it, it was silver. I think I also have that video on this channel, so you can also go and check. Yeah, and that's it for today's video, guys. So I hope you've enjoyed. Please let me know if you have any questions. Just leave them in the comment section. Nilishuka kanywele. Okay, leave them in the comment section and I will be sure to get back to you. If you're new here, karibu sana. Please do consider hitting the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it if you became part of this growing family. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.